Hi everybody and welcome back. Now in this lecture we're going to look at another way to retrieve a value from a dictionary, and that is using Python's get method. Now the good thing about this method is that it has a built-in safety net for handling situations where you ask for a value of a key that doesn't exist. If the key doesn't exist, the method returns a default value which you can define. So let's have a look. So let's first create our dictionary, terms equals, and let's give it our first key, which is integer. And let's give this integer the value a whole number, because that's what an integer is. Okay, now let's print this out using our get method. Print terms dot get, and we're using dot get notation because we want this method to act upon the terms dictionary. That's why it's terms dot get, and we want to print integer. Okay, let's have a look. There we go, a whole number. Now what happens if we try and access a key that is not in the dictionary? Well, let's give it a go. Print terms dot get, and let's say float, like our last example. And now we add in a comma, not in the dictionary. Okay, and let's see what we get now. Let's correct that quick typo. There we go. Let's see. There we go. Not in the dictionary. By using the get method, we are guaranteed to get a value back. In this example, if the key float was in the dictionary, we would have gotten its value back, but as it was not, we instead got our default message. If you don't supply a default message, you don't get anything back. Okay, so I hope that explained another way to retrieve a value from a dictionary, and as always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.